Welcome back in Tec Dev Studio, and this is the overview of ESMobileTouchTL plugin. So this plugin is basically help you to make the right touch system for your mobile game. As you can see on this image, so here is the touch will work that the green it's just a for example, and as you can see whenever you touch on here only like left, right or up down, it will be work only at here, not here. Okay, so that is the basically the plugin feature. So you can say it's kind of like a PUBG and Call of Duty type system that where you if you try to touch in the left side it's not work, always it's work on right system. So this plugin is going to be update more, and also at the documentation you find our this website page or even this one. So even if you go to our website .stroyeddeveloper.com, you'll find something like this, the home page. And also if you have any type of project, you can contact us with us which will complete your project. Okay, we have favors and we have lots of stuff. So okay, let's continue. Also if you want, we can get our others plugin from the epic marketplaces. You find all about in our Tec Dev Studio. Okay, now once you come at here, you can go to our tutorial source files, and here you find the ESMobileTouchTL documentation, and there's basically the document. Okay, at the document, you can see here you find the basically the plugin's name, plugin current version, and the supports and the platform supports that it's this plugin support, and the supported project that which type of project support this plugin, that is it's supports both C++ and Blueprint project. Also you can buy our plugins from the links, and you can go to our Discord for get more supports. Also here you find some example code that how you need to use that plugins. Okay, so now let's get started and let's do some work. The first thing, once you install that plugin, you need to go to your plugins / others, and here you find here our all the plugins. You can get our TDS Hero plugin, Easy Network Touch TL, which basically help you to verify the plugin status and the network connection in your mobile game. So you need to just enable, and once you enable, then what you need to do, let's start writing the code. Okay, so let me show you how you need to write. The first thing, because I did this thing in my player and I have a player, and I want that whenever I touch in my screen, for example, let me just disable the Android stuff and click on play, and if I touch on the right side, I want to basically control my camera. Okay, I don't want with the left side. So now I need to first go to event graph and make sure your camera boom is enable this use spawn control rotation. And at here by default this Unreal enhanced input system have this trigger one, so you need to just disable this thing first, and then what you need to do is you need to write here that touch. Okay, you can search something like this touch, and here you need to just scroll it, and here you find basically the touch that keyboard that Unreal Engine provide the touch function or event. From that you need to search our touch again, and once you search the touch, here you find tons of code. One is mobile screen setter and camera updater. First we need to set up the screen, so we'll be get this screen, and now you need to connect this simply press with press, release with release, move with move, location with location. Now from that we need to get our screen updater, so we need to update our screen, so we'll be search again that touch, and here you find that mobile a screen updater. Now from the updaters one you need to connect something like this, then connect your touch with touch. Now for the get a viewport X, what you need to do, you need to write again that touch, and here you find our one more call function that is touch mobile th viewport updater. Just get that and simply connect with this. You don't need to do anything with this, so leave it like how it was. Then from this you need to search a get a branch to verify your left or right. So if this is true, it's mean that you are touching in the left side. Okay, so now we have the system and the logics. Now we need to bypass this vector, so we need a vector. So you need to, from the start location, you simply need to promote a variable, and then you need to connect something like this, and from the false you need to now we need a custom event to update our data. So simply write here that a custom event that update value, you can give it name anything, so I'm just giving it what I want. And then from that, instead of that, you need to simply get a vector 2D. So you can write here that n location. It's not mandatory to write the same, but yeah, now here you need to write 2D vector. So from the 2D vector at the 2D class, you need to simply get. Now compile and save. So from at here, now you need to write the second line of code. Just get the start location, and now you need to basically calculate and the updater. So we'll be search that touch, and now we are going to update our camera system. So first we need to set our camera and connect with this and connect with end location and connect with the start vector or the location. Then now we need to update our camera. So simply write here that camera updater and connect something like this. Now it's not mandatory to end vector that location, but you need to simply split that, and here you find x and y. So simply connect this. Now you need to give the sensitivity that how much split, with how much split you want to basically control that. So you can add a promoter variable to control your sensitivity. Compile and save. So here let's add 5. Now compile and save. Now you find that yeah, and your pitch, that is basically your camera system. Now what you need to do, you need to simply disable your camera inputs from here and get this 2 3, copy and paste it here. So here you need to just match the name, that is yeah with yeah and pitch with pitch. So yeah, and this is pitch basically. Okay, now last thing, you need to update that function. So from the event you can get the update value, drag and drop, connect with false, and just get your end vector location from this plugin source, and then simply connect something like this. Now your touch system is ready to rock and roll. So that is basically the logic of the making the touch system. Now simply save that and click on play. Now if you see that I can, whenever I'm touching on the right side it's working, but if I touching on the left side it's not working. So that is the basically way to make the touch system. So I hope you understand, and also this game is available in Google Play Store. You can give it download from the Google Store. You can search Bus Driving Bangladesh League BD. Thank you so much.